Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny, back at it again with the G35. You guys, there has been some wiring issues with the G35 and I finally found the issue. So now I'm gonna show you guys what the issue is, but it was for my taillights. They weren't turning on and I kept changing the fuse and they just kept blowing and blowing. So I was like, okay, well, there's a short somewhere. So I went around the whole car looking for the short, specifically the back, and I found the short, and it's a little bad, need to say. So let's come along and show you. Let me show you what it is. All right, so like I said, I had already went along and dismantled everything, went through this. So I had found this right here. This head was cut and it was cut, and it was what's it called, intercepted or whatnot by other two wires that run along the side all the way down to here. They're probably speaker wires, I'm assuming. I'm not 100% sure. So then I went ahead and when I looked, it was just like this and it was like that. So then I just left it alone, and I then took everything else apart, and I came to find this. This was all burnt. It was actually connected to this, and here's like even a bigger issue. Look at that. Like, holy shit, this thing could have caught on fire while I was in it, while I was driving or anything. So I stopped driving it completely till I take out this harness and replace it with something else, with another harness. I did not want to go with the trouble of having to cut and put everything back, connect all the wires together. They're all just completely melted together. It is all bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the harness from the back all the way to the front. I honestly don't know where it leads to or how far it goes, but we'll see how it goes. You guys come along for the ride, see what we can do. Alright guys, I want to say where I'm halfway through and taking off the harness. I already took it off, the ones that lead from the trunk lid to the inside, because it gets these lights and this light. I might have fucked it up, but I don't know. So I got the harnesses off of the lights themselves. Now I'm just gonna go inside the car to see what else needs to be unplugged from there, and then see where else they run into. This is starting to seem like it's more than what it's starting to seem like a lot. Hopefully it's not much more, but anyways, let's continue. All right, quick update, another update. You guys, this is how far I have to get into. I had to remove the seat, the back of the seat, and then it goes over here and ends, it kind of ends right here, which is good, but I could not get into these ones that were over here because the seat and the cover were just in the way. So I had to take off the seat, unfortunately. I gotta take off the battery right now because this is the airbag one, so I don't want that shit to blow up on me. And then I gotta go to the other side and probably do the same. Whew. But so far so good. Just to update you guys. What the fuck's happened now? This harness is just, oh, it's a mess. Look what I found too. Keep that for the rainy day. But you guys, this it's a fucking mess. What the fuck? Oh my god. We're getting there. Update, we're getting there. I had to take out the other seat too, because it connects to that one, goes through the middle. But here it is. So now I'm pushing all the way back to the back. I'm gonna install the other side, and there's a couple that I need to remove that are underneath the car that I have to get onto. So I won't be taking out the full harness today. And then there's still the stoplight. It's just been a lot of work. Really big pain in the ass. Hopefully this never happens to you guys, because shoosh, fuck. Guys, I finished up. I got the harness almost out. There's only three connectors that are underneath the car that I have to lift up the car and take out and unplug and get it, and the harness comes out. But I'm just done for now. I'm done. It's been a pain in the ass. Oh. I do not recommend you ever do that. Never, if you don't need to.